Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to check the range of this little devil BMW i3s. And so first of all, big kudos to BMW Sulland Moss for lending me this car so I can present you and test the car. And the weather today, as you can see, it's slightly raining and the temperature outside is 16 degrees. On the way we will have some uphills and downhills, and we will test the car driving through on the highway to Sweden, and then we are going back. Let's get started. We are fully charged up to 100%. Computers show us 248 kilometers of range on the comfort mode, and if we go to Eco Pro, then the range change to 254 kilometers. Then we're going to reset the computer, and the wind speed is around 17 kilometers per hour. We are cruising 100 kilometers an hour. It's still raining a bit. Temperature outside didn't change. It's around 16 degrees. We are on the highway. As you can remember from the previous video, this car, BMW i3s, it's meant to be a city car, I think, and that job do very well. And on the highway, of course, it's possible to drive. It's pretty alright. I cannot complain. But after let's say 4 hours of journey, I think you might feel a bit tired, and the sitting position is not perfectly comfortable, I think. This can be perfect second car in the family or the city car. When you need to go to kindergarten in the morning and then to work, then it's great. We are using Eco Pro mode. We don't go for Eco Pro Plus because then the climate control will be reduced. And honestly, I think nobody uses it. It's no point except if you definitely don't have a charges around and you are so stressed that you are running out of the battery. Maybe then you go for Eco Pro Plus. I think most of the people will be traveling on Eco Pro. Enjoy the travel. I like the design of this car. It feels me very comfortable and cozy. The technology used here is modern. I like the screens. They're very bright and sharp, good looking. Yeah, I feel very good here. We've been driving 53 kilometers, average speed 75 kilometers per hour, average energy consumption 20.3 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Battery left 75%. It's raining all the way. Windshield wipers are working all the time. We have already 100 kilometers of distance traveled, 53% of battery left, and average speed is 82 kilometers per hour. Average energy consumption is 19.6 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. We did 150 kilometers, battery left 31%, average speed 85 kilometers, average energy consumption 18.7 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. The windshield wipers are working all the time and the weather conditions are bad. Keep going. So we did exactly 193 kilometers and 10% of battery left. Average energy consumption 18.3 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, and our average speed was 81.5 kilometers per hour. The weather condition is very poor and it was hard to drive. I used the windshield wipers all the time. The road was very wet. So we done our test today. I think this car did very well. Total range in these poor weather conditions would be 220 kilometers. And I think considering the size of these rims and the side wind and the weather and how tall is that car, and I think that it's pretty damn good result. I try to make this test again when the weather will be slightly better. If you want a bigger range for this car, go for BMW i3 only. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you think that content was good, then please share with your friends and subscribe to this channel because new videos are coming.